Example 2, find the derivative of y equal x squared minus 2 to the third power times 12x to the fourth power plus 1 quantity square. To find the derivative, we need to notice that it is a product. So the first rule to apply is the product rule. And we notice one factor is x squared minus 2 to the third power. It is a composite function. And another factor, 12x to the fourth power plus 1 square, is also a composite function. So then the next thing we need to apply is the chain rule. So we first apply the product rule. Y prime equals, you make 2 copies of the function. Okay, and connect them with a plus sign. So x squared minus 2 to the third power times 12x to the fourth power plus 1 square. And we apply the derivative for the first term on the first factor, and then on the second term on the second factor. Now we take the derivative. So when we take the derivative for the first function, we need to notice that the outer function is the third power function. So we take the derivative of the outer function. It's a power, so we use power rule. 3 comes down. Okay, parenthesis, power decreased by 1. Now what we write, then we write down the inside function. Okay, inner function is x squared minus 2. So we copy that. And then the chain rule tells us to multiply by the derivative of the inner function. Okay, the derivative of the inner function is just 2x. So we're done with taking the derivative of the first factor. Then we just copy what is left. Okay, 12x to the fourth power plus 1 square. So we continue copying things that we are not taking any operation. Now the next one, we take the derivative. Again, we notice that the outer function is the second power. Okay, so when we take the derivative for this composite function, according to the chain rule, we have to take the derivative of the outer function. So square, we take down the 2. Okay, parenthesis, power decreased by 1, so just the first power. Then the inner function, we just copy it inside, 12x to the fourth power plus 1, then multiply by the derivative of the inner function. So the derivative of the inner function is 4 comes down, multiplied by 12 is 48, x to the third power plus 1 is just 0. So this will be the derivative of this function.